Hi everybody! Today we're going to see how I draw Agent PEELY from Fortnite. Okay, pencils first and then Sharpies. So if you don't want to watch the pencil portion of the video where I sketch the entire thing out, look in the description and you'll find a link that you can click on that will take you to the Sharpie portion of the video. I'll even include one for color. But for those of you that are going to stick around, I'm going to start off with a quick sketch for myself and get us going. Alright. Shing ding 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 doo 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 doo. Okay. That is my James Bond music. Hopefully I don't get in trouble for it. But or you know what? Cue the music. I just realized that normally I had music. I was like, wait a minute, I can't sing James Bond over the music I put in here. So, yeah, so that got started. Anyway, yeah, it's very James Bond, right? That's what we're going for. That's what Agent PEELY is. So, I just needed to throw that in real fast. Okay, and this should be pretty simple because it's basically anatomy because he's wearing a suit. Suits are super easy that, you know, it's like I said, it's basically you're just drawing anatomy because they're form-fitting, they look nice, and as long as you know your anatomy, that's all you got to draw. And I do. Okay. So Agent PEELY, huh? I really expected the PEELY and the to stay in the what do you call it, I'm just drawing a blank on words, the Blender PEELY, where he's in the you know, the mech suit and whatnot. I mean, he's liquefied, you know, so I really expected it to stay that way and change, but no, I guess Agent PEELY is back, or this is a new one, you know, new PEELY. So yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, so let's see, what should we do with his arms? We'll just have him sticking out. He's, you know, being PEELY, dancing, fighting, dancing, romancing. Let's stick this one up. There we go. You know, there you go. The pose I'm kind of going for is, because it's very James Bond, or at least that's how I see it, I'm going for the James Bond caught in the eye of the barrel. You know, at the very beginning of the movie, he's walking across and the thing's going across and it stops on him and he turns in surprise and shoots, that kind of thing. So that's what I'm going for with PEELY. He's just in surprise and his arms are up. He doesn't have his gun, it's on his leg, which it's cool, but obviously he doesn't use it, right? Because it's on his leg. And any weapon that is on a character's skin, they don't use, because it's just part of the skin. So I get it. Okay, so let's do, how about we just do regular old hand. No, let's do like this. It's kind of up, right? Okay, so there's the sleeve, hand is up like that. So we'll put the thumb out like this. There we go, kind of a surprised hand out like that. And this will give us a little something, a little more of a challenge. Okay, we'll do the same thing over here. Just stick that hand up. This one will do, this one's more at you, this one is more back. Okay? Or straight up, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So this one is more flat. Did you see what I did there? Sometimes when I'm drawing hands, I like to draw where the fingers are going to go, and that kind of shows me like a dynamic, you know, or the dynamics of the hand. Yeah, that's a good word. I don't know why I was trying to find a better word for it. Like where I want to take it, you know? And that'll work. I think that's good. Let me just add some details on his head. One of his peels coming off, right? The square of the banana. And then this one peeling down. And his eyes. In the shape of the glasses, right? All right, I say we're good to go. I'm ready. So I'm going to erase some of the sketch. I want to leave some of the thick lines, the confidence lines. Basically, we're going to erase the sketchiness and stick with confidence, just like in life. You always want to get rid of the sketchiness and go with your confidence. Because as I was drawing, my first few lines, they were the sketch. They were the ones where I weren't confident. As I got more confident where it was going, I got thicker. I just started drawing harder, and those are the lines that stuck. So we're going with our confidence. All right, so there we go. I've erased a majority of it. What's left is a ghost of an image that I usually make with a special computer. So I'm ready to go. Let's move over to the Sharpies. Let's welcome everybody that skipped. Welcome, skippers. Welcome to the Sharpie portion of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I do a drawing every day. You can join along and have some fun. I'm going to be using a Sharpie fine point and a Sharpie pen, mostly the fine point, but depends a little finer than a fine point and can find things that a fine point can't quite find. So, I've sketched the entire thing out. I've erased the majority of it. What's left is a nice ghost of an image that I can trace over but won't stand out over the Sharpies. So, I'm going to start with the Sharpie pen because I can control the line widths much better. And I'm just going to add some of the tiny details. Maybe, I mean, are there tiny details? This is all pretty standard, right? I'll do it for the eyes just to make sure I got the eyes right because I can always come back and do it again. So I'm going to draw the lines across like this. Another one like this just to make sure I've got them flat for the glasses look of his eyes. Then I can come around here like this. And make sure I've got it the way I want it. Yeah. All right. Looks good, looks good. Let's just stick with that. So I'm going to draw his mouth, and he's just got a nice little uncommon mouth, just like this. I'm not going to color all this in. I'm going to do that with actual color. I just wanted to make sure that I've got the shape that I want. I'm going to thicken this up a little bit, and then add the color to it later. Because it's not quite black. It's got a little bit of brown to it. All right, there we go. So that might be it. I think I can just go with the Sharpie now, the big fat one, or the fine point. All right, so I'm going to start with the tip of the banana right here, and then build off of this because I've sketched it. I know where it's going to go. I'm going to bring it in like this, kind of give it a little loopy loop, little notch is basically what I was trying to say, but couldn't because I'm not a good speaker. Like that. And I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of detail, add that notch like this, add one there, maybe one there. All right, love that sound. All right, and so now I'm going to draw his peel. So I'm going to come down here like this, stop about right there, and do the same thing over here, but stop a little lower, like that, because of the way his peel is peeling back. And I'm going to draw the back side like this, but I'm going to stop there. I'm going to work my way back up so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to come here from the side, work up, and go like this. Booyah! Look at that. So that means I can draw the peeling back a little bit like this. And come in here like this. And now Now I'm gonna add some detail. So basically there's another level like on the inside of the peel like that. And I can do this and bring it in. And there you go. I just wanted to add a little bit of subtlety of the stages of the peel back there. Let's go ahead and add this just to make it our own, make it our style. And this one isn't quite falling back. You know Peely. I don't know why I'm trying to explain this to you. You know him. So this one's going to come up like that. Same thing. I'm going to go over, down, and in. We're going to do just like we did there with the detail like this, in like that, bring it on down, come down to here, hide it like that. There we go. All right, so now we're going to draw his suit. So this would be pretty easy. It's just a regular old suit, regular old spy suit. You know, everybody's got an old spy suit. Come down to the bow. That. Let's draw that bow. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Okay, and so his shirt is going to, or his jacket, I'm sorry, is going to, no, I guess there is a shirt, so we're going to give it another level like that for the shirt, room for the shirt, and then bring the jacket in like this, connect it right there, bring it in like that, connect it right there, and there is a lapel that on the white suit it's black, on the brown suit you can't see, same thing with the blue, can't quite see it, so we're going to be subtle with it. We're going to draw a little bit down like that, and to the shoulder, a little bit down into the shoulder. So we can subtly, oh, you know what? Let's add the middle like this, just so you can see where we're going. Okay, so we can, ooh, I just stabbed myself with my thumb. Woof. All right, so we can subtly draw that lapel. That way, whenever you color it in, you can decide which one you're going to color. I haven't quite decided yet. Okay. So if you're drawing the brown or blue suit, color all that in. If you're doing the spy suit, that's going to be black. Let's go ahead and give you a center like this. And might as well add some buttons. All right. Oh, you know what? And this shirt does have a collar, so we'll go ahead and, again, subtly add that in. There we go. All right, so now we're just going to work our way down. And I've got this arm out this way, this arm out that way. All spy style. Like that. Come back in. This. Gonna go ahead and bring it in, and that's a pocket is what I did there. And I wanted to just accent it like that. Nice. Add some creases and folds. You know how I like to do. Perfect. How's yours coming out? Awesome. Okay, so this hand is more up, while this hand is going to be flat like that. So this one you're going to see the underside. So I'm going to draw the sleeve in there like that. I'm going to draw the bottom of the hand here to the thumb like this. And then draw the fingers out. Kind of splayed out in kind of a surprise fashion. What I was talking about in the sketch is that this is, to me, this is the beginning opening of James Bond Peely. And you know the opening where he's walking across, and it's in every movie, and the thing is tracking, and then it captures him, and it's a barrel of a gun, and then he turns all of a sudden and shoots. Well, that's Peely, but he doesn't have a gun, so he's just putting his hands up, you know? Oh, surprise, Peely. Alright, gonna connect it there. I'm gonna add just a few little lines just to kind of, you know, add some creases and folds because it's a hand. It's got some dents from where your fingers bend, you know? There you go. I don't want to add too many. I do, but I always add way too many. I need to slow down. Slow my roll. Alright, still love that sound. Alright, so let's do the other half now. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add some bumps for his creases and folds. Get his jacket bent over like this. Go ahead and draw the other side. Coming up like that. Coming down. Again, a little bump for the pocket. Bottom of the jacket. Close it up. Do. Oh, you know what? I got it on the wrong side. Oh well. Oh well. I'm just going to add the buttons over here anyway. Because looking at it, like that side is wrapped over this side, so it should be... Let's see if I can do that. Like that, over it. There we go. I fixed it. Since I've got this, I'm going to go ahead and add that pocket. Add some creases and folds to his jacket, just to give it some excitement. Okay, and this hand is, this one is more at you. This one was coming at you. This one is pretty much flat, but same thing, you know. Excited, surprise Peely. It's so preely. Okay, so I'm gonna draw the thumb like this, and draw the fingers, and I've already sketched it out, so I'm basically just gonna trace what I did. Okay, I'm going to bring it into the hand like that. And again, I'm going to add just a few lines just to make it come alive. Like that. There we go. All right. Okay, so now we're just drawing his pants, basically. So let's see, we're going to draw this leg down here like this to his knee. And come down here to his pants, break it up. Let's see, and his crotch is going to be about right there, down to the back of his leg, his pants like that. So that means I can bring the other side in like this. Now, got to stop right there because he's got that ankle holster, which I guess is not really an ankle holster, right? It's more of a calf holster. And draw the other side of his leg to where it connects. I'm going to draw the strap that holds it like this. And then the rest of his pants like we did over there. Okay, and for the gun, we really can't see much of it, so I'm just going to kind of draw what I can see. And you know what it is, obviously, right? Let's see, let's add some creases into his pants just to, you know, make it our own. Not too many though, because it's a suit, and it's a nice form-fitting suit that doesn't have too many creases. It just basically it's up along his legs. All right, so now we just got to add some shoes. Peely needs shoes. Peely needs shoes. Peely needs. Oh, you know what? There's music going on. I shouldn't be singing. All right, so same thing over here. There we go. So there's not much I can really do for this because again, it's got its own detail. I'm gonna add a little bit of a sole on that one, or a heel. Sorry, a heel on this one too. There we go. I'm gonna do a little bit of flair, a little bit of style, you know, something like that, because color's gonna take care of that anyway. So not much I can do. All right, this one I put some creases on because it's bunging around his pants, so that one's okay. All right, so there you go. I say we take care of the rest with color. So that is Agent Peely from Fortnite.
So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.